Hey guys, I just want to get on here and say one thing. And I really hope this video circulate. But if y'all don't fix those smoke alarms before y'all do these videos, oh my gosh. If y'all don't fix those smoke alarms before you guys record videos, guys, I can't tell you how many times I have listened to videos. I'm just going to send this message out to everybody, but I know the specific demographic who is notorious for this, because I've watched enough and seen enough of these videos on YouTube or wherever, and y'all are doing a video, and every few seconds, beep, every few seconds, beep, every few minutes in your video, beep, every couple seconds in the middle of your video, beep. Guys, it is not hard to change a smoke alarm. I understand, or it could be the carbon monoxide detector. Y'all have to be very careful. Now, it may not be y'all, okay? Because some of you listening, you have nothing to do with this, but you know what I'm talking about. I have seen more than enough videos, and this specific demographic are the ones that I see doing it all the time. But I'm going to make this a general. I'm going to just everyone in general who this applies to. Whenever your smoke detector is making that sound, it is a warning. It is telling you the battery is about to die, or you need to change the battery. That means that your smoke detector, and sometimes it is not only the smoke detector, it is also a carbon monoxide detector. All right. So you're doing videos and you've gotten so conditioned to hearing that, you just ignore it. You may not have a ladder to get up there, but certainly somebody has one of those high dining room chairs, or you're in a place where you can call and have like your maintenance people change it out. But be proactive about that. It is a dangerous thing. You have your family, you have your property. If a fire starts or something, because the battery is low or needs to be changed, then it's not going to function properly. It probably won't pick up on the smoke detector or the smoke as it should, or as quickly. It won't alert you guys. It won't pick up on, it won't function properly if there are high levels of carbon monoxide. And guys, you know carbon monoxide is a silent killer. It kills you in your sleep. Many years ago, my then mother-in-law, she almost died, and she had my son with her at the time, my oldest son. And it wasn't that they didn't have their smoke alarms and stuff, or the carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide. It's not that it had nothing to do with them failing to have that, but something happened. Thank God. I thank God today. I thank God so much for saving them, saving my son, because they would have died in their sleep. But thank God that he woke her up, and she woke up out of her sleep, and she was saying that she was feeling, she felt weird, okay? But she was just about to go back to bed. But then my son also woke up, and I know he was under 12 at the time. He also woke up, and he was saying he felt weird, if I'm remembering. I know he woke up and he was complaining of the same feelings that she had, and she put two and two together, and they got out the house, and come to find out there was a high level of carbon monoxide in the house. So I thank God today for that. But, for waking them up, and that it wasn't a different phone call that I was getting. So guys, you have to understand that these devices, these things that they place in your house, it serves a purpose. It has a life-saving purposes, and they need batteries in them. The batteries will help them to function. When you're constantly hearing that beep, 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 It is a warning. You're being warned. Change the batteries. You're in danger. I am not functioning at my peak. Change it. I don't know how people get used to that. I know I don't get used to listening to that on the video. As soon as I hear any of these smoke alarms do anything in here, I'm going to check. Mine is loud. So when something happens, it goes and then I go and I look and I see that it's doing, it's blinking red and green or whatever, and I get what I need to get done. Okay, I'm gonna get up on that chair. I'm gonna get up high. It's far, it's high, I know, but you have to be proactive in it with it. It's high up. Go buy a ladder. Okay, it's better than buying a casket. It is less expensive than buying a casket. So you guys can go like maybe to Walmart and get one of those little halfway ladders or whatever, or put up one of those, if you have a dining room chair that's kind of high, then you get up there and ask somebody, hey, hold the chair while I go up here and get those batteries. A lot of times it takes those, I don't know, what do you call those batteries? Sometimes they take the little ones, but or the AA, but a lot of times I find they take that rectangular battery. All right, but explore that and don't get to the point that you just go up there and just turn it off. I'm just gonna plug it. I'm tired of hearing all that. Because when you wake up extra crispy, okay, then what? It is too dangerous, guys. Carbon monoxide is deadly. And also, you want your smoke detector to go off earlier than later. So please, please change those batteries. Be proactive. I get so, it's so distracting to watch a really good video, and every few seconds you're hearing this beeping, this chirping in the back. And the truth of the matter is they don't even apologize for that sound anymore because they get so used to it. Don't get used to warnings. Don't get used to the red flags, because every day you ignore that stuff, the closer you are to something happening. One day when something happens, it only takes a quick second. That thing is beeping and beeping and beeping to let you know this needs to be fixed. This needs to be changed. And I know when you look up there, it seems just far away up there, and it just seems like, oh, how am I going to get up there? But believe me, you'd rather to make the effort to get up there than to be crying later or to find yourself waking up. Yes, your smoke detector may be working, but it worked a little too late. All right, guys. Peace.